Actionable ABM, backed by the best data. Find, acquire, and grow customers faster by using an integrated sales and marketing ABM platform. By submitting this form, you are agreeing to Zoominfo's privacy policy and terms of service. Unlock market insights to convert your next best customer at scale. Drive your pipeline with advanced B2B intelligence and real-time intent built on accurate data. Trigger campaigns based on G2 number 1 ranked B2B buyer intent signals, such as de-anonymized site traffic, industry scoops, and technographic data. Identify sales-ready accounts signaling intent to buy. Provide your teams with access to 100M+ accurate company profiles, 600M+ contact profiles, and more than 4.9K+ company attributes. Engage contacts at accounts most likely to be in market. Create a consistent customer experience through an integrated sales and marketing platform. Run efficient display and social ad campaigns based on customers with high intent. Leverage the first true in-house DSP built for B2B advertising. Execute campaigns to the highest level of accuracy. Maintain flexibility, deliverability and compliance across multiple channels. Benefit from AI algorithms optimized to find the right accounts. Turn visitors into customers. Convert site visitors into loyal customers. Capture website visitors' interest from initial form fill to final conversion. Leverage the most accurate IP to company graph in the world, analyzing over 6B+ IP addresses, to build campaigns that convert. Engage, nurture and convert site visitors based on real-time insights and on-page behavior. Reduce required form fields, automatically enrich lead data, and maximize conversion rates. Streamline meeting scheduling. Find and select available time slots in minutes, saving you valuable time. Rev up your business growth and maximize your ROI. Integrate and automate your GTM activities based on your target market's buying signals. Build automated workflows that trigger go-to-market activities based on accurate insights. Learn more about workflows. Simplify your sales and marketing tech stack, automate outreach, and rapidly grow your customer base. View App Marketplace. It would not have been possible for us to achieve the progress that we've had this year without the Zoominfo ecosystem. Underpinning our efforts on both the marketing and sales sides. Plus, the easier it becomes for those systems to interface, the larger that benefit becomes. Holden Lewis, Head of Demand Generation at Alchemy Cloud. It would not have been possible for us to achieve the progress that we've had this year without the Zoominfo ecosystem. Underpinning our efforts on both the marketing and sales sides. Plus, the easier it becomes for those systems to interface, the larger that benefit becomes. Holden Lewis, Head of Demand Generation at Alchemy Cloud.